Hello, I am Juan Hahn. The Acutaping course that I will teach in Ireland on May 23rd and 24th will be above all very practical. So practical that during the hands-on sessions we will use the length of several Olympic swimming pools of tape. The idea is that participants will be ready to apply in their practice from the following Monday. Acutaping is an ideal complement to acupuncture, but also for doctors, nurses, physiotherapists, manual therapists, massage therapists, yoga instructors, and movement professionals. Although it is well known for its musculoskeletal application, it also has very useful indications in pain management, lymphatic drainage, and internal medicine conditions such as diarrhea, constipation, or respiratory disorders. By understanding the foundation of this wonderful system, you will be able to develop your own therapeutic strategies. We will also cover applications on acupuncture points and meridians, as well as trigger points. The Jade Natural Health team will be happy to provide you with all the details. Thank you very much. See you in Ireland.